According to the title of this video, you already know what's up. Let's just get straight into the video. So the first skincare product that I got is, of course, my body wash. Yes, I've been using the St. Ives body wash. I've used different variants of the St. Ives body wash, and I love it so much. I love the fragrance, everything about St. Ives body washes. I love it so much. I've never tried the Pastel, but you see body washes, I have been loving body washes. This one is St. Ives Hydrating Body Wash, Coconut Water and Orchid. This one right here. I wanted to get a body wash that is really going to hydrate my skin, especially in this season, in this Harmattan season. So this is the one I'm currently using, the St. Ives Pampering Body Wash. This one is in vanilla and oat milk, and it smells so edible. I tried this particular variant, this coconut water and orchid, and I'm looking forward to trying it. And I believe it's already smelling so coconutty. I got this for the price of 7,500. It lasts for like 2 to 3 months. It foams so well. That is one of the reasons why I love this particular body wash. So the next skincare product that I got is this Dr. Rachel Skincare Vitamin C and Niacinamide Brightening Essence Toner. Yes, this one. Whenever I'm menstruating or I'm getting close to my menstrual days, I usually break out. So I really needed something that will help to fight my acne and even out my skin tone as well. Let me open it. Okay, it's sealed. It's sealed. But I'm looking forward to trying this toner. I've seen good reviews about this toner and I hope it gets the job done for me. So the next product that I got is my sunscreen, and I've been using this Gavia sunblock for the longest. The last time I went to the store and I wanted to get this this sunscreen, they didn't have it. Like, they didn't have this Gavia sunblock. When I saw it today, I was so happy. I got it. This one, I got the toner. I got the toner for 4,500. This toner, I got it for 4,500. Then the sunblock. For the sunblock, the sunscreen, I got this sunscreen for 6,000 naira. Yes, I got this sunscreen, this Gavia sunscreen for 6,000 naira. And trust me, this sunscreen is so nice. It's so nice. I just needed a bigger size. I've been using the Bel-Ray UV sunscreen. It's nice as well, but I just needed something that is like big in size, a little bit bigger in size. It protects the skin and also brightens the skin. Another skincare product that I got is this simple pure soap for sensitive skin here. I don't have sensitive skin. The reason why I got this soap is because it says no perfume or color. I got it specifically for my VJ area. I want to use it to be washing around that area, okay? You get what I mean? It says here, gentle cleanser, vegan friendly, no perfume or color, and I love it. I just hope it gets the job done. Let me just open it up and show you guys what it looks like. And I got this for 2,000. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's 2-in-1 for 2,000 naira. So the next skincare product that I got is this Moyam Retinol Face Cream. I'm above 25, so once you're above 25, you need to start including retinol in your skincare routine to avoid anti-aging, wrinkles. So I got this retinol face cream, and it contains 2.5% retinol with hyaluronic acid. This is in 50 grams, and I got this particular face cream for the price of 4,000 naira. I got this for 4,000 naira, and let me open it. Any skincare product I'm showing you, I'm opening it ASAP because I can't wait to try it out. This is a night face cream, by the way. It's not advisable to use it during the day. It's a night face cream. How cute is this, guys? I look forward to trying it out, and I hope it gets the job done for me. So the next skincare product that I got is the Moyam AHA and PHA peeling solution. And this is an exfoliating serum. This is an exfoliating serum, like it's a chemical exfoliant. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I hope and pray it will work on my skin. So I got this for the price of 2,500. It's very affordable. I got it for the price of 2,500 and it contains 30% AHA and 2% BHA. Another skincare product that I got is the Moyam. I think I've gotten like three Moyam products. I don't know. It's the Moyam Advanced Skincare Strong Super Serum. This is 5-in-1 facial serum. It contains 10% hyaluronic acid, 5% niacinamide, 30% vitamin C, 10% vitamin E, and 5% collagen. So it helps to even out skin tone and smooth wrinkles. The reason why I got it is because of the hyaluronic acid and the niacinamide and the vitamin C. Anything that is going to help to brighten my face, bring out my complexion, and shrink wrinkles, whatever fine lines, I go for it. Okay, so this is the Moyam 5-in-1 face serum. Another skincare product that I got is the Face Fat Bright and Clear Bright Plus Clear Face Cream. It contains azelaic acid, kojic acid, niacinamide, tranexamic acid, okay, for brighter and more radiant skin. I've been hearing about this face cream and I decided to get one for myself. And I got this one for the price of 7,500. And I hope it gets the job done for me as well. This is what it looks like. Last but not the least skincare product that I got is the Estaline B5 Ceramic Repairing Face Serum. This is a moisturizing, hydrating face serum that is really going to help to hydrate. You know, this is Harmattan season and I want my skin to be popping. I want my skin to be glowing, okay? It helps to restore skin's barrier function, repairing and hydrating my face. Like if I'm done using days that I'll use this chemical exfoliant, I will now use this so it will help to restore my skin barrier function and calm my skin, rejuvenate my skin. Oh, I love the color. I love Esteline's I love their packaging. I love this bottle. I love this bottle. It's so solid. And the fact that it's quite affordable amazes me. So yeah, those are all the products that I got. If you have tried any of these products, let me know your experience in the comment section. If the prices that I bought these products are expensive, let me also know in the comment section. If they are way cheaper than what you used to buy yours, let me also know in the comment section. We are here to learn together. Okay, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate. Please do it to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment on my videos. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, hello, my name is Gloria, and on this channel is all about beauty, motherhood, and a little bit of lifestyle. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment on this video, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos I'm bringing to you on this channel. And I will see you in my next video. For now, bye.